Hello friends, once again welcome back to my another video. In this video you will see recycling old jeans into beautiful craft. Denim is one of the most durable fabrics, which makes it perfect for recycling. Even when jeans are no longer wearable, the fabric remains strong and versatile. Pockets can become stylish organizers, seams can add texture to wall art, and denim stripes can be woven into rugs, baskets, or table decor. Nothing is wasted, everything has purpose. These crafts allow endless designs possibilities. Mixing different shades of denim creates stunning patchwork patterns, while raw edges add a rustic handmade charm. Old jeans can be enhanced with embroidery, hand stitching, crochet borders, lace trims, beads, or buttons to You can turn denim into handbags, tote bags, cushion covers, plant holders, coasters, lampshades, wall hangings, jewelry organizers, and storage solutions that are both functional and stylish. Old jeans recycling craft is also a powerful statement for eco-friendly living. Denim production consumes large amounts of water and resources, so reusing old jeans helps reduce textile waste and supports sustainable fashion. These crafts encourage mindful consumption and inspire us to look at everyday items with a creative eye. What once seemed useless becomes a valuable material filled with potential. This form of upcycling is sustainable for all skill levels. Beginners can start with simple projects like coasters or key holders, while experienced crafters can explore advanced designs such as patchwork quilts or detailed home decor items. Old jeans recycling crafts are also wonderful for family activities, teaching children the importance of recycling and creativity through hands-on projects. Each recycled denim piece tells a unique story. The faded blues, natural creases, and original stitching preserve the history of the jeans while giving them a fresh identity. These handmade creations Old jeans recycling craft is more than just a DIY trend. It is a lifestyle choice that celebrates creativity, respects the environment, and values handmade beauty. Through simple tools and imagination, old denim is transformed into timeless pieces that blend functionality with artistic expressions. This craft reminds us that even the most ordinary materials can be turned to something extraordinary with a little creativity and heart. I really hope that you will love all the ideas. If you have any question, leave in a comment section. I will reply on your comment. Thanks for watching.